Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a McDonald's-style bagel sandwich. First, gather your essential ingredients: a fresh bagel, a breakfast sausage patty or bacon, an egg, and a slice of American cheese. You'll also need a little butter or cooking spray for preparation. Make sure your cooking area is clean and ready for action before you begin. This simple setup ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, let's cook the main components. Start by cooking your breakfast meat, whether it's a sausage patty or bacon, until it's thoroughly cooked through. For the egg, use an egg ring to create that perfect round shape, cooking it on a griddle or pan. Ensure the yolk is set and the egg is cooked to your liking, usually about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Now for the assembly, lightly toast your bagel halves to your desired crispness. While still warm, spread a thin layer of butter or your preferred spread on both cut sides of the bagel. Then, carefully place the cooked breakfast meat on the bottom half, followed by the perfectly round egg, and finally, the slice of cheese. The warmth will help the cheese melt beautifully. To finish, place the top half of the bagel onto your stacked ingredients. The residual heat from the egg and meat will gently melt the cheese, creating that classic gooey texture. Serve your delicious, homemade bagel sandwich immediately for the best experience. It's a fantastic way to enjoy a favorite breakfast item right in your own kitchen, anytime you crave it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.